Are you ready? It starts now. Let's go. Little twist to start. Morning movement, less than 10 minutes every day for 28 days in a row. We're gonna build consistency, discipline. That weight is gonna come off. It's gonna take time. It's just about showing up every single day. Get the engine revving in the morning, boost our mood, elevate our energy just by some simple movement exercises. We're gonna build so much discipline and consistency over the next 28 days. We are gonna set up 2025 for the greatest year of our lives. We'll do it together. Just reach, modify every exercise to what you can do. Pick up the pace when you feel like you'd like to. Slow down if you need to. It's entirely up to you. Let's just march. This first week, we're gonna do it from a chair. We're gonna gradually move up to doing our workouts. Standing, seated, lots of different things, but for this first bit, as simple as possible, we can just pull out the chair and get moving. It's all about cultivating the habit of movement first thing. We get those endorphins flowing, the feel-good chemicals. Sets us up for an amazing day. Maybe a little twist with it. Engage the core. We really want to focus on building some mobility this week also. We're going to gain all that mobility back. Lose all the weight that we need to in time, just by showing up every day. Twist. Okay, let's get the heart rate up a bit. Just, let's go for a run. Pump the arms a bit. We can do so much just from this chair. We don't need to run triathlons, do marathons, do 1.5-hour yoga sessions to get in shape, to be fit. Just maximize movement whenever we can. The idea of this is every time we see a park bench or chair, it's like, oh, I could go do a few movements over there. Just whole natural movements to get feeling good. I know when I move, I make better food choices, I sleep better, I have more self-confidence. It all seems to come from a little bit of movement. Bend a bit. Little tap. If you can't get down to your toes, you just go to where you can. We're gonna warm up that lower back area. So we gain the mobility of a child over the next 28 days and then beyond. Because once we get into 2025, all of our New Year's resolutions are going to be no problem to meet because we're already going to have set up some incredible discipline and consistency. Let's bring the foot up now. Do a little meditation, breathing, focus exercise at the end of every workout too. We can bring our attention and really learn how to focus. That sets us up from all the distractions that are in our environment these days. Ooh, it just hit me. The endorphins already starting to flow. That, nature's high. It's better than anything. And I've tried all those other things. This is way better. Yeah, let's have a laugh. Not take ourselves too seriously. We're here for a good time, not a long time. We add a little extra, oh yeah, if you can. Stretch it out. Take that, show you, little cat-cow. So, arch your back and then like a cat going, chest forward. Arch. Oh yeah, get a real good stretch here. A couple more. Oh, that's brilliant. So we can do most things from a chair that we could do standing. Most things, some things. Jumping jacks. Try to get as great a range of motion as you can. Every time your mind wanders off to something else, remember, let's just bring it back to here. This is the most important thing in the world right now. You focusing on you. We're gonna be so obsessed with our personal development. We got no time to judge or criticize anyone else. Oh yeah, feel it in the shoulders? I sure can. Okay, if you can, we're just gonna come off the chair just a bit. Engage your core. All of our stability comes, good core stability is what we want. If you need to, that's fine. But just come up just a bit. Oh yes. Almost, oh yeah. His arms too. Couple more. Side to side, all right? Little touch. If you can get all the way to the floor, brilliant. If not, we will eventually. You showed up today. That's good. You're gonna write in the comment section, job done, when we get through. Day 2, that'll be easy to show up for also. 3, 4, 5. Maybe it gets a little trickier. It's different for all of us. But by day 7, 8, when you got the momentum really rolling, you have no problem sticking with this every single day. Just to start our day. A little heat going. The coffee's gonna be amazing, or tea, or whatever you're having. Let's just stretch that out again. Oh yeah, nice twist. Bring our knee up. Gauge your core. We're gonna keep it real simple. Just keep showing up. Here's a trick. Set ourselves up for success. When you go to bed, whatever you're gonna do your little morning workout in, whatever helps you to trigger and prime you, put it at the end of the bed. If you're gonna put some running shoes on, that's great. Little workout outfit, awesome. Whatever you're gonna do, put it at the end of your bed. You get up, you just put it on. Helps us from overthinking, reduces friction. Shake it out. Job done. Stay with me for one more minute if you can. We're just gonna do 1 minute meditation, breathing. Just focus on your breath. Close your eyes and bring all your attention to this moment, just for 1 minute. Every time your mind wanders off, what am I gonna have for dinner tonight? What did I do yesterday? The mind is a thought-making machine. That's just what it does. Tension wavers, bring it back. Every time, ready? Just be here now. Feel the sensations of your body. Take in what you've done. Just be here now. The mind wanders. I just notice and I come back to this moment. Open your eyes. We did it. Day one, done and dusted. Remember, job done in the comments. Keep showing up every day. Consistency, discipline. We are going to set ourselves up for an incredible 2025 with this 28 days of movement. I will see you soon. I'll see you tomorrow. Goodbye.